Oh man, the Dow sold off 799 points. D7 here with Grok a trade, and this video is good through what is it, December 5th, 2018. It's through Wednesday. Wednesday, the market is not open due to the time of reverence and a time of mourning for President Bush 41. So the market's closed on Wednesday. Okay, but look at this. The markets are down, 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 down. Everybody down. If the markets are down 1%, it's bad. It's really bad if you're down more than 2%. But when you're down 3%, that is really, really, really bad. And if you're down 4%, like we're seeing on the Russells, that's just what adjective do you use for that? We are down so much. We're down more than 3% across the board. Russell's, though, down more than 4%. Financials more than 4%. U.S. dollar flat. Crude oil down 0.8%. Silver higher by almost a full percent. Gold higher by a fraction. VIX spiking higher 26%. We're at 20.7. Bitcoin still under 4,000, but it did go up 1.5% at the time of this video. Look at this. Markets sold off on big volume, guys. Big volume. Just yesterday, we had this big pop in the markets, and they said, oh, it's because of President Trump and China getting their act together on putting reprieve on tariffs. And but now all of a sudden they're saying because of uncertainties, that's why the market dropped. Forget what the news tells you. Forget that. It's all technicals. The markets will always do what it wants to do. The market's always right. Have you ever noticed when fundamentals come out and they seem to be good? So when earnings come out quarterly, seem to be great earnings, but the market drops? Or something happens overseas that you think would be bad, but the market pops? Do not pay attention ever to news, because it will always be full of broken promises. Always, always. Follow technical analysis. That's the secret. That's the secret. Whoever learns that best wins. It's about price action and volume, and whoever can read the two together, it's a beautiful melody that will light the path to your future in trading. Check this out. Spider, big drop. Guys, I had no plans. There were no plans for me to do a video today. I had to do it. So, matter of fact, I'm putting on my arrows, and I wanted everybody to see this. For you guys that haven't been following me a long time, I put on arrows. These are for public, for the public to see. Like, we have a mentorship coming up next weekend. The whole reason I do these arrows, buy and sell, is to show you guys the caliber of traders that we are. So you say, hey, I'd like to be taught by these guys. If you want to be taught by us, we do it online, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. All you do is go to grokatrade.com. When you go to Grok Trade, click on Trading Mentors. Do that fast. If you want to get in on this weekend, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, all day, we do it online. Get in fast. Okay, we'll teach you. I put these on for everybody to see. So here they are. I do not recommend at all that you trade based off of what I'm doing here. Do not do it. So I had a buyback here at, where was that? Here at 267, put a sell at 269. So it ate up a bunch of our profits on that one. The diamonds, let's take a look at that. The diamonds, oh, we broke a trend and then we come back. There's a jab. These jabs are bad news. Bad news, look for a big time trade or reversal, and that's it. So we got in here, now we're out there, made a little bit. But it ate up a bunch of our profits. I don't like it. NASDAQ, tech stocks, up, boom, we shoot up. Then we have a hanging man reversal pattern, and sure enough, we drop. I had high hopes that this was going to keep going higher. Didn't do it. The Russell's 2000. Oh, same thing. It run up. We had a hanging man, but it dropped on us. I got to put a sell on it. Put the right. There it is. A sell. We were in there, so we lost money on that one. That's no good. That one we took a hit on. Financials. Remember how he said we gotta watch that. We gotta buy here and we gotta put a sell now on financials. Watch out. This market could be in a lot of trouble. Here we gotta buy, and there it is. So US dollar, it closed under it here. Wait a second. I think what's going on here? Where is my... Why isn't that? I don't understand. There it is. What is this? Is that after hours? I think that's after hours. That's today, and that's after hours. So I need to double check that, because if today was only that, let me look here. It might be that, so I'll do that one. Okay, just to be double extra sure. Crude oil, I put a buy on crude oil, and it did pop like 4 or 5%. And send that to voicemail. Do I want? I'm gonna stay with my buy on that one. Silver, I got a buy on it, big pop, but look at this. I don't know. It's above this. I'm gonna stay with that. But look how people are selling into that strength. Gold, it's gonna be the same thing. Look at this. We're going higher, but with red candlesticks. That's, man, like man, that's horrible. When you're going higher, but everything's red on the way up, that's usually a bad sign. I'm gonna stay with my buy call though. VIX had a sell on it, but now it has to be a buy. So there's my buy. Look how this 200-day moving average is acting as really good support and resistance. Right there it is. There's the buy. This is a big time jab. Look for that to go higher. The markets could be in a lot of trouble Thursday and Friday, guys. Bitcoin, I have a buy on it. I'm going to stay with my buy on Bitcoin. It's until it gets below this area, and then I'll have to put a sell on it. Let's look at some stocks of interest. Let's do that, because I got a lot of arrows to put on this. Lots of arrows. We'll start with the Dow 30. Apple's down 4.4%. 4.4%. Apple is toast. See how we drop. Had a sell on it here, down, put a buy on it, up, hit resistance. That was the sell. Actually, I should have put a sell on it yesterday. Not sure why I didn't do that. I have to do it today. Watch out for Apple. Look for more downside drop. Apple, share this with Apple people. That's what it looks like to me. Oh, yeah, I was going to say, I better have a sell on that one right at resistance. Sure enough. So I'm good with the sell on AXP. BA. Oh, we got over resistance, but look how we come right back down. There's the jab. Ouch, in trouble. So we got in on this candlestick, out on that one, made some coin. Caterpillar had a sell on it because it closed under that trend line. Very good, and a big sell off. Cisco, I don't have a sell yet. Let's put one in on that candlestick, out on that one. CVX, I have a sell on it. Where is my buy? Are you kidding me? So this is what drives me insane. I'm using TradingView, and I swear to you, it removes my indicators, my trend lines and stuff. There should have been a buy right there, but I don't know why there's not one. But so I got a sell on it. I'm good with my sell, but there should have been a buy there. So technically, if there was a buy there and a sell there, I should have been underwater on that one. But here I got a sell on it, and it's dropping. That's good. DW. This is Dow DuPont. Oh, that one gets a sell. That one gets a sell. Let's look at GE. GE's down 6.8%. We had a sell on it. Check this out. We had a sell at 8.30, and we're at 7.30. $1. I mean, I don't know what percent that is off the top of my head. That's a good percentage in just a couple weeks. Goldman Sachs, I had a buy and then a sell, and financials are in trouble. So Home Depot, you got to buy. Oh, that one gets a sell. Sell. IBM down 3%. That one gets a sell. I mean, this is a sell a city, guys. Sell city. This one, Intel, gets a sell. Johnson & Johnson gets a sell. So that one gave us some warning. It didn't eat up all of our profits. So we're in here at 143 and we're out at 146. So we made 3 points on that one. Very good. JP Morgan. Oh, see, that ate up all of our profits. We're in on this one, and then it ate up all our profits. That big, nasty, gnarly red candlestick. Boo. Coca-Cola. Oh, you know what? Just because I'm going to bank profit here. So we're in here at 49 and we're out at 49.50. So we made 20, 30, 40 cents, something like that. McDonald's. Let's go there. Had a sell on it, and I'm good with the sell. 3M. Oh, it has to get a sell. So we banked a little profit on that one. Merck had a sell on it on the hangman and a tweezer top, and there it dropped as expected. Microsoft, oh, gets a red sell. So we're in here at 106, out at 108.5, 2.5 points on that one. Nike, got a buy on it at 72, and now we're out at 75, almost 76, so $3.5, $4. We'll bank that profit. PFE, we're in at 44 and out at 45, so we'll bank $1, 1 point on that. PG, got a sell on it. Look how it went up and touched that trend line. If you haven't taken the trend line course, you want to take it. And what you do is go to Grok Trade and look at these three. The trend line course, if you want to learn to draw these lines correctly, do that. If you want to learn to master them, take the mentorship this weekend, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. But if you're ready just to make some money and trade with market makers, this is a highly advanced but very educational. Market makers do that one. If you want to just save your money and you want to protect your capital, do the hedging one. So actually, I do all three of those. But oops. Let's go to Travelers. Oh man, we lost money on that one. So we're in at 130 and out at almost 127. So 3 points, a little more than that. UNH, we're in at 266 and out at 278. So over 11 points, almost 12 points there. UTX had a buy, now sell. So this one we lost money on. See this? We had a buy and it popped up, man. We had a nice run, but bam, we get smoked on that one. So we lost what, 50 cents or $1, 1 point off that one. Oh man. So this is look at this, a market maker play right there. This is the market maker webinar that I was just talking to you about. That's the one where we would get in on this candlestick and then boom, up. So we'd get in at 133, out at 138. There's 5 points, easy 5 points in a week on that. Verizon, we got a sell on it, and I'll stay with my sell. WBA, Walgreens, ooh, gets a sell. So that's another market maker play right there. We got in here, boom. We would get in on this one. I didn't do the market maker. I don't show you the market maker plays on my videos, but we would market maker. We would have been on that candlestick, on this candlestick, and on this candlestick. That's what we would have been on. There's money to be made on that. Everyone that's taken it has loved it. So we're in this one at 80. We're out at 82. So a couple points on that. Walmart was down 3%. Nasty sauce. So we're in off the hammer. And it did go higher. So we're in at 94 and out at 95 and change. Almost 2 points. And Exxon. Oh, gets a sell. So we're in at Exxon at 77. We're out at 79. Couple points. Let's look at tech stocks, man. We could have some trade setups on that one for sure. Let's go there. We already looked at Apple, and we're all in agreement. At least some of us are. That Apple's toast. Apple is toast. AMD. Ooh, gets a sell. So this one again, market maker. We got in on this one and on this one. So we got in there and rallied higher. Got in this one and rallied higher. But there we had a buy at 18. And we're going to sell it at 21. Made a few points off of that. Amazon down 5%. So AMD was down 11%. That's huge. But now Amazon, oh man, down 8%. Are you kidding me? What a bloodbath Bath. So we're in on Amazon. There's a market maker play right there. We got in on that candlestick. Boom. This one. Boom. Very, very, very cool. So we're in at 1496, out at 1668, whatever that calculation is. BABA is off 3 points. Oh boy. So we're in at BABA at 146, out at 158. So 12 points we made on that one. Baidu down almost 5%, 8 up profit. So we lost money on this one. Doesn't look like a lot. So we're in at 184, out at 82. So we lost 2 points there. Booking, which is Priceline, gets a sell. Broke resistance came right back down. Wow. So we're in Booking at 1800. So we made 63 points on that one. We made 63 points. That just sounds so good to say. Cisco, we already have we already did that one on the Dow 30. So Catfish, made some money on Catfish. Cognizant Technologies. Ooh, made some money here on eBay. Let's sell that one too. This is sell city, guys. Facebook was off 2 points. Let's sell that one. There's a market maker play. Boom. Right there. We got in at 132, out at 137, almost 138, 5 to 6 points. Google 4.8. Look how it ate up all of our profits. So market maker play got in here. So we're in at 1230, out at, or wait, 12, what am I talking about? 1030. And so we made 32 points on that one. 32 points. Let's go to this one. All right, I had a sell on this one. I don't have to put a sell on this one. Wait, that's GoPro. What happened to my Google without the L? It's gone. Are you kidding me? Why am I missing things? My Google, I'm adding it. Google, let's sort it by, there's Google. So there it is. So now we're back. So here we're in at 1225, out at 1050. Okay. GoPro is off 3%. We're down. So I'm good with my sell on that one. Microsoft, in that one we looked at already. We already put a sell on it. Micron, it gets a sell that ate up so a lot of our profits. So we're in at 36, out at 36, so we made 50 cents. Netflix was off 5%. Netflix, I got something going on with the TV show. It won't be until later on, but they're talking about how Netflix, because their deal, they've lost a lot of content because of Disney is pulling out. Because of that, they're trying to buy content to put on Netflix. And so just be careful for anybody that's holding Netflix right now. I got some inside information. NVIDIA, there's a market maker play up, and then we sell it. 148, 157. So anyway, 9 points. Oracle, I have a sell on it. So there again, I should have been a buy yesterday, and I didn't put it. I did not put a buy on that, or it's missing. One or the other. I'll stay with my sell. I'm good with the sell, but technically I should have anyway. Did I have a lazy Monday? Let's put a sell on this one. So we're in PayPal at 79 bones, out at 84. So 5 points on that one. Very good. All in all, man, we're making some money. So look at this market maker play. Boom. We're in at 134, out at 150. Man, did we make, oh, I don't have to put a sell on that one. Let's get rid of it. I already had one yesterday, hit resistance. Look how it touches that resistance line. Both days it touched it and dropped. Take the trend line course, guys. That will help you know why we put a sell on that one. And look what happened the very next day. Snap. We got a sell on it yesterday, and it dropped a little bit. Twitter, got a buy on it. Ooh, I'm going to go ahead and put a sell. Let's take our profit. So we're in at 31.5, out at 32.5. So we'll make our point. Monologue time. Here's the deal. Yeah, well, I normally don't do videos Usually I'm doing them on the weekends, weekend videos. But this one, because the market's dropped 799 points, I thought everyone's going to be wanting a video. Here it is. And I thought, let's just show all the stocks this time. Makes for a little longer video, but I hope I went fast enough to keep your interest. So that's it. Mentoring. This is for individuals who, I would say at this point, since it's a little later getting you started, you need to have some experience. I'd say a year or 3 years at least of trading experience, and you can get signed up for this mentorship going forward. If you would have signed up a little earlier, I would have got you hooked up with some 201 courses, so you would have been ramped up and ready for it. So if you're a beginner, probably too late to get you in. So, yeah, that's it. Wednesday, this is odd. This is the first time I can ever remember in my 20 plus years of trading that a president took a day off of the markets in remembrance of loss of a prior president. It might have happened, I don't know, but I can tell you this: it's different. Not exactly understanding why it's warranted, but it is what it is. Use Wednesday as a time to reflect on your trading. Look at some of your past trades to find out where you've made your mistakes. Hone in on them. Like one thing that we do in our mentorship is we give this software program, and the software program allows our students to put in their trades. So what it allows us to do is hone in. It gives us red flags of where weaknesses are of our students, and we can quickly see where those weaknesses are, so we can quickly mitigate their mistakes they're making in the market, so they can be more profitable faster. That's what we want our students developing faster and making more money than all the other students out there. So we want to accelerate that process, and the only way to do that is to give the best education, but also to mitigate or to hone in, identify first problems in one's trading, because the faster they can fix the problems, the faster they'll be on the path to making money. Simple concept, but use this time, regardless if you're going through our mentorship or not. But if you're going to try to do autodidacticism, where you're learning to trade yourself, I'm just telling you that's a poor man's way of going about it. It didn't work for me, and it doesn't work for most people. But if you're going to do that, definitely go look at your trades and say which ones I lose money on, which ones I make money on. Forget the ones you made money on. Just look at the ones where you lost money and say, what could I have done better? Look at those, analyze those, make changes to your trading plan, incorporate those into your trading plan, and then follow that for the next few months and see if you see an uptick in profitability. So, a little tip for you. So anyway, I hope this video is helpful. Give me a thumbs up. Or if it was pitiful and you hate everything in it and you don't appreciate what I'm doing, give me a thumbs down. Either is fine. But I like thumbs up, but I really appreciate the comments. Oh, because I feel like I'm on an island here all by myself, because I'm just here talking to this microphone, looking at this video recorder, and I have my lights and my monitors that surround me, but I'm on an island all by myself. So when you leave me comments, I feel like I'm not by myself. Now, I'm just jabbering. You're like, wrap this up. D7. If you didn't listen and didn't hear, President Trump called in. I didn't take his call, but he left me a voicemail, and I'll share it with you. Catch you guys later. We'll see you. Bye.
Hello there. Hi, D7. This is your President, Donald Trump. Sorry it's been a while. I've been putting some things in order. I had to go have tea with the Queen. She was just ecstatic that I was there. She said I was fantastic, that they should have had me president years ago. But more importantly, just wanted to tell you guys, August mentorship program was fantastic. Mark the Meerkat, you're great. My stocks are on the rise. Just wanted to let you guys know, lost my house apparently, but I did not lose any money in the stocks. You guys are great. Your mentors are great. Grok Girl, you're fantastic. I loved meeting you. You're great. D7, great as always. Just had a bit of time here. Got to go back to running the country again. Keep up the good work, and we'll chat with you guys again. Hopefully, it won't be as long this. Running the country isn't as easy as running a golf course. I tell you that. So I'm gonna check you guys later. Have a great day. Mark the Meerkat, love you. D7, love you. Grok Girl, love you too. Take care.
Guys, last couple weeks, you've lost probably 8 to 10 times more in your portfolio than what an education from us would have cost you. Invest in yourself. There's no greater expense than being ignorant and what market tuition will cost you. Do yourself a favor, look us up for mentoring. It's 3 days. We have one coming up. Go to Grok Trade. There's top of Grok Trade. I'm not even going to show you the website. Go to groktrade.com. At the top, there's a button there for hedging. You can take the hedging course. That'll help you during this time so you don't get your head handed to you. But if you want to make money in this volatility, if you're just don't want your head handed to you, then mentoring. I'm not here peddling it to you, but what just irks me to no end is individuals who think that autodidacticism, that's trying to learn something themselves, is the smart way to go. And they think that learning to trade is something that you can get yourself. I'm telling you, I thought I blew through 2 accounts until one day I woke up and thought, I can't do it myself. Don't let that be you. Don't let your money dry up. Don't lose money in the markets. Learn to be savvy. Kill it out there. Be a shark. Don't be bait fish. Be the person out there that's the smart one, that has a system in place. Trading is significant. It can be the best thing that's ever happened to you and your family. Or it could be one of the heartaches, one of the broken dreams of your tomorrow. But I'll pose this one question to you. If you go through our trading mentorship, if you're like, man, I'm in, I don't care what it costs because I'd rather put my money invested into education than lose it in the markets. If that is you, ask yourself, after you go, we give you all the tips, all the tricks, we give you everything. We pull out the stops for you and give you everything to reach your full potential in trading. We give it all to you. From this date, 1 year from now, where will you be? How will your life, how will it have changed? That question will tell you everything you need to know. GrokTrade.com. Check us out. Catch you guys later. We'll see ya.